Okay. Good morning, classes. Not classes, specifically human growth and development. I want to go over a couple things. Most of y'all have finished it, which I'm proud of you. If you have not finished it, I'm not proud of you at the moment, but it's okay. I forgive people. So, look, we have this is the assignment that was due to me. Should have been due yesterday at the end of the day, but if you haven't completed it, go ahead and get it done. But I just want to talk about it just briefly, okay? So if I open this up, it's personality and traits. There's in regards to some notes, and so if I view the assignment, I'm gonna go back here just a minute. There it is, right there. So it was in regard to these notes, okay? And y'all have already taken notes on these. Let's see it load here. Come on now. There it is, okay? I'm just going to go down through here. I gave you some terms. I asked you to reflect on some questions of how child development was important and how we are lacking as a society and how children make up our society. And then there's some terms there: development, child development, individual life cycle. And then I asked you to explore this website. In case you were wondering, that was me when I was a baby right there. But I asked you to explore this website about the four domains of child development. Four domains of child development. Okay, and this is really important, and I'm going to slow down because everything that we talk about in this class from now on, in every stage of development, which these are the stages of development, we are going to talk about the four domains and how the four domains affect us in all of these stages. And then in adulthood as well, okay? So prenatal is like conception to birth. That's when you're pregnant and that baby's developing in the oven, okay? Neonatal means new baby. Pre-baby, right here, new baby, is from birth to 1 month, okay? That's when they get a little cuter and put on some weight and they don't look like an alien at first, which is okay because all newborn babies are cute. And that's fine. And some people don't think so, but that's fine too. Okay, and then toddlers, we're going to talk about toddlers, 12 to 36 months, and then preschool age, 3 to 6 years, and then school age, 6 to 12 years, and then after that is adolescence. Okay, so we'll talk about the four domains. Where is it? Yeah, the four domains in all of these stages. Okay, now this next part of the assignment that I gave you right here, chapter 1, understanding child development, but personality and traits. Let me go back to here, is about genetics, okay? So factors that influence growth and development. And there's two factors that I need you to know. Okay, don't focus on my red ball, focus on me. The two factors are heredity. Okay, so our genetics is one factor that makes us who we are. The next factor is the environment, okay? The experiences that we have in an environment is factor number 2 and what makes us who we are, okay? So we have genetics, and we have environment. And if we blend those two things together, it's who we are, okay? And that's a powerful thing because as you get older and as you get smarter and as you start to understand that our genetics and our environment make us who we are, we can determine how we want to change who we are to be exactly who we want to be, okay? And so I asked you to take those notes and reflect on some questions, and then the actual assignment. Right, is slides 9 through 11, which we just talked about. If I slide down here, there's some warm-up questions. I wanted to know who you looked like and who you behaved like to address genetics or heredity. Y'all had that vocabulary there. And then you explored some links, okay? So you figured out if you had detached earlobes or not. If you can roll your tongue, I can. If you can wiggle your ear, I can't. If you have dimples, I don't. If you clasp your hand, it's my left thumb. You want to see a cool trick real quick? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, if you would come to class, if you would come to class, I would show you that trick. If you have a cleft chin, which I don't, if you have a widow's peak, I don't because I have perfect hair. If you have freckles, nope, I have beauty marks. If you can lick your elbow, nope, you can't. See, if you look right down here, it says just kidding. So you didn't need to try that. And then there was another thing, 27 surprising things that you never, another article about 27 surprising things you never realized you inherited from your parents, okay? And then you click on this article. It gives you a bunch of different, not necessarily traits, but a bunch of different things that could be passed on based off traits, okay? Like if you're a good driver, insomnia, and things like that. And I asked you to reflect about 5 of those that you believe that you've carried on or that you've received from your family or your parents, okay? And that's it for that. So if you haven't done it, complete it or else. But remember, that's not a threat. I just want you to do your work, okay? You have a blessed day.